According to American Marketing Association, many consumers go to great lengths to conceal their consumer debt from others. Not only that, but the act of concealing debt contributes to destructive cycles that slow debt reduction and decrease well-being. Hi, I'm Andrew Larsen, CEO of Blissful Budget. I have 10 years experience as a financial advisor, have managed nearly $50 million in client assets, and I am a personal financial coach. Want to know if your partner is hiding debt from you? Here are 7 telltale signs that your partner is hiding debt from you. 1. Secrecy around financial documents. Is your partner overly secretive about anything and everything financially related? Does he try to hide bank statements? Is she not telling you everything about credit card bills? What about those loan statements? 2. Unexplained changes in spending habits. Have you been catching those mysterious shifts in your partner's spending game lately? Is your partner using their credit card more often? Have you seen frequent and large cash withdrawals? 3. Mysterious phone calls or mail. Is your partner receiving seemingly strange phone calls from unknown numbers or receive mail from creditors or collection agencies? 4. Reluctant to discuss money issues. Your partner avoids or becomes defensive when you try to discuss financial matters or create a budget together. Walk away whenever you bring it up or try to change the subject quickly. 5. Hiding financial accounts. This is pretty obvious. You discover undisclosed financial accounts, like hidden bank accounts in your partner's name, or loans in your partner's name they never even knew about. 6. Frequent requests for money. Is your partner frequently asking you for money? Do they not give you a clear explanation of how they're going to use it and repay you? 7. Credit card score or financial status decline. You notice a significant decline in your partner's credit score or overall financial status without a clear reason. Why did their score drop from a nice 750 down to 650? What can you do to address all of these? 1. Open and honest communication. Initiate a calm and non-confrontational conversation about your concerns. Encourage your partner to share their financial situation honestly and express your desire to work with them about the issue together. 2. Review financial statements. Request to review financial statements and accounts together to gain a clear understanding about their situation. Try to be direct and calm when talking about this. You want to show them you're coming from a place of love and affection and that you want to work together to solve this. 3. Seek professional help. If the debt is overwhelming, consider seeking the assistance of a financial professional who specializes in financial matters to facilitate communication and resolution, like myself. 4. Create a joint financial plan. Once you uncover there's a hidden debt to address, work together to create a joint financial plan. Outline your financial goals, responsibilities, and a strategy for paying off any hidden debt. 5. Trust and transparency. Rebuild trust and transparency in your financial relationship. Both of you should commit to openly disclosing all financial activities with one another. The more honest you are in your relationship, the better it will be. 6. A debt repayment plan. If there is debt you didn't know about, collaborate on a realistic debt repayment plan. This may involve consolidating debt, negotiating with creditors, or seeking professional advice on managing the debt. 7. And probably the most important is monitor your progress. Regularly monitor the progress of your financial plan and revisit your goals and budget as needed. When you consistently evaluate how everything is going and ensure you are both on the same page, you are that much more likely to achieving financial bliss. If you would like to improve your financial relationship, join me on our 7-day financial transparency challenge, where I'll give you the secrets to building a stronger and more blissful relationship. Sign up by clicking the link below. Financial bliss is only a few clicks away. Thanks for watching. Stay blissful, be joyful, and I'll see you in my next video.